Hi. Today we're going to tell should you use Bing ads. With Google hogging the spotlight from other search engine platforms, it can be easy to forget that Bing exists. Since search engine marketing is becoming more prevalent thanks to search engine optimization, SEO, it's important to know if Bing ads still have a place in today's Google-centric generation. Let's get started. The similarities between Google and Bing ads. Bing ads are essentially similar to Google ads, albeit handled by Microsoft Advertising. Through its platform, the pay-per-click (PPC) program promotes functions similarly as well. Additionally, its auction system for keyword bidding is also an admirable reflection of Google's. The value of competition. Being owned by Microsoft, Bing allows advertising spots on different partner sites like AOL, MSN, Yahoo, etc. This makes it the premier platform for hosting your ads by diversifying your brand's presence online. Bing ads still reach an astounding number of users, about 63 million online viewers across all platforms, making it a missed opportunity to use its ad program. The importance of catering to the right target market. Where Bing really stands out is its connection to LinkedIn profiles, since Microsoft owns the corporate networking platform. This is because LinkedIn allows targeting options for marketing to specific individuals and companies. Through Bing's PPC campaigns, you can target specific users' device type, OS, and even the particular time zones of these campaigns. While Bing ads have strengths in B2B marketing, that doesn't mean you should fully invest your resources. This is why you should always incorporate the value of diversifying your marketing strategies. Through this method, you'll have greater opportunities to expand marketing channels and establish a greater reach. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.